Assalamualaikum. Today in this video we can discuss about the kingdom Plantea, about plant, their characters and how they are classified into how many types and on which basis they are classified. So kingdom Plantea include two types, and first of all we will discuss some characters of plants. So all plants, kingdom Plantea include all plants, and all plants are eukaryotic. They are multicellular, having many cells, autotrophic organism because they can synthesize their own food, and all plants contain a cell wall, a rigid cell wall, and the plants has chloroplast and chlorophyll pigment which is required for photosynthesis. So kingdom Plantea is classified into two further types. The first one is non-differentiated plant body, and the second one is differentiated plant body. So those plants having non-differentiated plant body are included in Thallophyta, while those plants having differentiated plant body are included in Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. So further, what is Thallophyta? What are further types of Thallophyta? So Thallophyta is a primary division of plant kingdom, and it consists of plant with a single cell sex organ or with many cell sex organ, and all cells give rise to gametes. So Thallophyta include all those plants which contain a single cell sex organ or with many cell sex organ, and all cell sex organ give rise to gametes. And differentiated plant body include Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. So what is Bryophyta and what is Tracheophyta? So Bryophyta include all those plants having non-vascular system, and Tracheophyta include all those plants having vascular system. Those plants having differentiated plant body are included in this group, and it is further divided into two types, Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. So why they are called Bryophyta? So Bryophyta are called Bryophyta because these are the first plant which are migrated to leads, and they are also called amphibian plants because it has dual nature. They are aquatic as well as terrestrial. They are migrated from water to land, so that's why they are called Bryophyta. And it include all those plants which contain non-vascular system, while Tracheophyta include all those plants which contain a vascular system. Thallophyta is also called algae. So algae or thallophyta is further classified into four types. The first one is cyanophyta, second one is chlorophyta, third one is rhodophyta, and fourth one is pyophyta. So cyanophyta is a type of plankton or algae, and it has dominant blue pigment. It is also called blue-green algae, and it is also called cyanobacteria. The second one is chlorophyta. So chlorophyta is a taxonomic group, and it is also a phylum, and it has green algae and it live in marine habitat. So it has green algae, and it is also called green algae, and it live in marine habitat. The third one is rhodophyta. As the name indicate that rhodophyta is also called red algae because it has a pigment phycoerythrin, due to which it absorbs blue and reflect red. So it reflect red, that's why it is also called red algae, and they are called red algae. And it live in marine habitat, while these plants are often attached to shore plants. So the fourth one is pyophyta. The pyophyta is include kelps and brown algae, and this group is not closely related to land plants. Their cells contain different pigment such as chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. So this is four types of Thallophyta, and we also discussed the types of Bryophyta and Tracheophyta. We will discuss the types of Bryophyta in this video, and we will discuss the Tracheophyta types of Tracheophyta in the next video. Bryophyta is also called embryophytes, and this is classified into three types. The first one is mosses, second one is liveworts, third one is hornworts. So the mosses include class Mosaceae, liveworts include Hepaticae, and hornworts include Anthocerote. So the example of mosses is Funaria and Polytrichum, while liveworts example is Merkensia, and hornworts example is Anthoceros. Bryophytes include all those plants which grow in shady and damp places, and they are aquatic as well as terrestrial. So, and they are non-vascular system because they lack vascular system. So in this video, we will discuss the plant kingdom, their classification, also discussed Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Tracheophyta, also discuss the further types of Thallophyta and Bryophyta, and we will also discuss the further classification of Tracheophyta in next video. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.